What has many layers and can make you cry? Of course, it's the onion. Hello junior chefs and welcome to Junior's Kitchen. Today we are in France and we're making French onion soup. We need onions, thyme, garlic, Swiss cheese, Comte, bread, olive oil, butter, flour, salt and stock. We start with a mise en place. Mise en place means we prepare all the ingredients and put them in the right place. We cut the onions into fine strips. The onions are ready. Kitchen knowledge. The French term for fine strips is julienne. Now we chop the garlic. Grate the cheese. Put the leaves of the thyme into the cheese. Mise en place is ready, let's start cooking. Oil and butter in the pot. Now we add the onions. Garlic slices in. Keep stirring. Cook them over medium heat for 30 minutes or longer, the better it is. The onions are starting to caramelize. Sprinkle the flour over the onions. Season with salt. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Cut the bread into slices. Now we fill our bowls with the onion soup. Put 2 slices of bread on each soup. Cover with a good amount of cheese. Put the balls on a baking tray. Into the oven for 8 minutes. When the cheese is golden brown, take it out of the oven. French onion soup is ready. Bon appetit! et au revoir. Bye, enjoy.